Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. I have two unboxings to do today. So you will see this same shirt, Think Life, Donate Blood if you can, and hair and makeup, which is barely in here. I'm letting it air dry today because I'm trying something new tomorrow. Anyway, welcome to my channel. The first thing we're going to do is my IPSY unboxing for October. I'm so excited. I'm a little late because these came while I was out of town. And then my Walmart beauty is going to be after this video. It's going to be a separate video. It's always a separate video. So, here we go. Again, not a sponsored video. This is my own coin buying these products. And I am a part of the IPSY Glam Bag Plus family. So, it's full-size products and you get 5 of them each month. And also that new one, the Glam Bag X, that's sponsored, curated by celebrities. That last box was bomb. So, I'm going to keep doing that. Okay, first thing in the box. Bag, Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. Ooh, I'm a fan already. I like this packaging. Dermalect. Ooh, oh, she's pretty. Oh, is this made with dragon's blood or is this a glass just red? Overnight treatment effective, revitalizes dull-looking skin, focus on fine lines, wrinkle and large pores, great for age spots and uneven skin tone, multitasking, blah, 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 blah. Ooh, okay. Glycolic acid, salicylic acid, L-ascorbic acid. So it's going to treat your skin and get rid of those fine wrinkles. It's just a red glass, but it's pretty. I mean, pretty. Nice packaging. Nice packaging. Thank you so much. Yes, I'm excited. These serums and oils, I'm telling you, I am all about it. Okay, next thing is sticking out. Brushes. I love brushes. I don't know why. I have a thing. It's a thing. These are from Lovecraft Beauty. Oh, that's cute. It's got like a little... Okay, that's cute. And these are in black and white, and the bristles are black. Yes. Oh, yes, these are eye brushes. You know, the last set of brushes that I got, I think I gave away. These, yeah, I'm keeping these. These are pretty. You can see those bristles. And they're kind of blue on the very, very, very tip. Or no, it's just the light. It's just my eyes, sorry. These are pretty. I'm keeping. I've got to hide these from my friends. Next thing. Ooh, okay, this is the Pretty Wicked info. I didn't mean to pull that out next. Oh, okay. Light Lock Lip Gloss, About Face. Oh, I think I've gotten something else from About Face. This is in Angel on Fire. That's the name of the color, Angel on Fire. So glad I'm wearing my glasses because these things are small. I did because I got a face oil from About Face. That shimmer oil, remember? It was in the same package. If you saw my last video. Not my last video. A couple videos ago. Maybe. The sad thing is, the bathroom that I have is not counter space friendly, so I don't have a lot of room to show this stuff off. Yep. Same thing here. So pretty. This is a really nice color. Okay, I'm going to have to try that tomorrow. I have a brunch tomorrow, so I think I might wear that just because I can. Cake Lash Rayon, and this is a mascara, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Black Noir, and of course, all mascaras need to come in black. Even if you're blonde, you need dark lashes. It just makes it more dramatic. Full-size mascara. This is cute packaging. It's just like a nickel-looking silver. Oh, so pretty. They got me with the packaging. I'm not gonna lie. I still have one more thing. Everything is full-size. This is a Murad Resurgence Renewing Eye Cream. I put this right in front of the camera, so I can't really tell if it's focusing, so I hope it did. Sorry about that. Full-size eye cream. In a pump. You know I love an eye cream in a pump. You know I love an eye cream in a pump. And you know your girl needs eye cream, because these dark circles are no joke. Whew, that was fast. Just now 5 minutes? Okay. So let's see. What am I going to try first? Oh, I have something on my lips, but I do want to open this. I'm probably going to wear this tomorrow if it's a good color. Lip Lock Angel on Fire. Oh, let's just open it because you know I'm not giving this away, right? You know I always keep my lips stuff. Okay, this is pretty. I want to put this on so bad. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open my Walmart beauty box in a separate video, but I have to try this oil. I finished so quick. I feel like it's too fast. We need to enjoy this box a little more. I talked all fast like my battery's about to die. It's a full battery. This bag is super cute though. With the vampire lips. What? And the black lipstick? What? You know, it would have been cute if this was a black. Just saying. I do have 2 black lip glosses. Maybe I'll wear one of those. It is Halloween season. Ooh. Oh, it has a scent. A clean scent. Oh, yeah, no, it doesn't smell good. It smells acidic-y. Is that a word? It is now. It smells medicinal. How about that? It's very smooth, though. A little bit of a tacky feel as it dries. And I'm sure it's going to smooth out. I'm not sure I like that smell, so it's a good thing it's at night, so you go to sleep and you don't really smell it. It's not my gray hair flying in my eyeball. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The eye cream. I don't want to open it because once you open something like this, it has a shelf life. And I do have another 1 or 2 eye creams that I need to get to before this. So I'm going to save that. Pretty Wicked. Fangs out, lips out. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm going to use these brushes. These are really cute. That's a really good shader brush. And I think that one with the cover on it is like a fine liner brush. And I don't do, oh, yeah, it is. I don't do a lot of makeup anymore. But I feel like I need to start back because I kind of get tired of just this natural face. I'm just saying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, for the 3rd time, 2nd time. This is not a sponsored video. I use my own money. I am a subscriber to the IPSY Glam Bag Plus. I love it. I have not been disappointed. I have not received any duplicates. And this particular box level gives me great things to try, and I am extremely happy. I think I don't know how long I've been a member, but I haven't gotten the same bag more than once. I haven't gotten the same product more than once, and everything that I've had a chance to try has been awesome. So yeah, I'm extremely happy, and I cannot wait to open my Walmart box. Now my Walmart box is, you know, sample sizes, but it's to introduce you into, well, we'll do that intro when we get to the Walmart box. Thank you so much again for watching. Y'all have a great day. Peace and love.